everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how to use Rev Points on Revolut. So first thing you're going to need to do is open your Revolut application and make sure it's updated to the latest version to avoid any issues. Now you can just check for updates in your App Store or Google Play Store if needed. And then once it is updated, just go and open your Revolut application and then navigate to the rewards section. In here, you'll see your Rev Points balance at the top, and these points are what you'll use to claim the rewards or discounts. Now, let's spend those points in rewards section. So just scroll through the available rewards. You can see it in here like these. And you'll find options like discounts, gift cards, or even cashback offers. So each reward will show the number of points needed to claim it. So to redeem the reward, just have to tap on the reward that you want and check the details to make sure it's what you're looking for. And once you're done checking, just hit claim and confirm your selection. The reward will be applied instantly or sent to your email depending on the type. And once you've redeemed your reward, you can start using it immediately. So for example, if you've claimed a discount, you can apply it at the checkout, or you can use your gift card code online. And that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!